Sorry, we don't have time. On this ride, we don't have time to do anything but ride.
We have to stop and get good pictures for content.
This morning, we are heading to Kansas City. This will mark our 6th day.
7th day.
7th day on the BCBC. I don't know. See you.
Today is day 8.
Day 8 of the BCBC.
Monday, July 18th.
This is the Ornery One, and you're watching our BC by BC 22 ride.
Yes, which is a border to border and coast to coast, 11,000 mile ride, 2 different highways, all along the backwoods of America.
That's right. If you guys like motorcycle content, then you're at the right channel. Please subscribe, like, and share with your riding buddies. Oh yeah, let's get to it. All right, we're heading toward Kansas City, and right now we're somewhere in Indiana, wherever that may be. It rained all day yesterday. We're cloudy and foggy this morning, but I think we're gonna have clear weather. It's probably gonna get hot as we make our way on out to Kansas, and then we're ultimately heading for Dodge City and then out on into Colorado. That's right, guys. It'll be pretty cool. We'll be going through Grand Junction before long, so we're gonna get to it. Talk a little bit about this 50, America's Longest Road. We've been on it now for a few days. We're making our way into St. Louis pretty quick here. I can tell you about the roads. They're a slower pace. So get your mind right, get your head set, because you're gonna be going through a lot of little towns, kind of like this right here. Which how amazing is this brick paver street. And it's a smooth one too, it's not rough. A lot of them we get on are really rough, but not this one. Nice and smooth. My kind of place, you can kind of get out and walk down the middle of the street, not that many cars. We just ate over here at Brews. Had a cheeseburger and sweet tea. Pretty cool, got a little flat iron grill back there, and she's back there cooking, you can watch her. If you're ever on 50, cutting across the country, and you're in Lebanon, Illinois, stop by Brewers. And let them cook you a cheeseburger and grab you a cold beverage. Pretty good. Well, we made it to California. Kinda. California, Missouri. Gotcha. We've done that pretty quick. We just left St. Louis and hit California, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
That's what the big bore do. Turns it on. Having a little trouble with our charging system. Everything's wet. I think we might have blown a fuse and stuff. Little plug-in down here. We'll have to check later tonight. My Orion helmet front vent broke. See right here? That's broke. Steph's visor's broke, which is actually mine. We traded, so it won't shut right. That's why it's so important to have so many charging points on your bike, especially when you're doing social media like we're doing. Because our Sennas aren't really working. They got so wet yesterday, and they've done that before, and they dry out, and once they get dried out, they start working. So that's kind of normal. But we lose those cameras, and then our phones aren't able to charge or whatever. We're not able to do anything. And we're really reliant on that battery all the time, even on the bike. So it's a constant chase, right? Charge, internet, stay on the road, keep moving, get content, do booty drops. I mean, it's a 24 hustle with us. I'm running on 8 hours sleep, a climb that bar, and a fucking dream. Steph's inside pooping. She's taking a piss, but anytime we're somewhere and somebody goes, bathroom's over there, I go, she's gonna go poop. Oh, here she comes. How was your poop? You just pooped? Where we at? Kansas.
Somewhere.
Is Toto here?
We're over here by Burmack Road.
Burmack Road in Kansas.
Quick
What is it?
stop.
Quickie stop?
Quickie lube or something.
And we got us, which is fucked up now, guys, because you can't buy the little short cans of Coke anymore, those tall ones. We just need a short one. But then we got a couple of meat sticks, a little jerky. There you go. Then we thought we'd feel lucky. Steph got hit 100s.
I like the graffiti.
And then I got, of course, Elvis, right? So we're gonna see how we do. It's windy. Windy as hell out here. We're gonna scratch yours, scratch mine. We'll be scratching together.
Winning number 35
35's our winning number.
and 38.
38. What about my winning numbers? All right. Mine is 11, 59, 26, 48, and 29. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh.
Okay, I won $4 so far.
$4. She's a winner. Won $4. Okay, I'm scratching.
Oh wait, I have a bonus.
Bonus reel. Well, nothing on that first one. Nothing. Come on, Elvis. Don't let me down. I'm your neighbor. Golly, nothing. Oh, there's something. I don't know how much. There's 26.
Okay.
I won $5. So I won myself back my money. What did you spend on yours?
2.
So we came out $1 ahead.
No, I doubled mine.
I think you got $2 for it. Oh, you're 4. Okay, so we made money.
I made money.
I paid for it.
I made money.
So we got to go in and redeem it.
You won $5, but you would actually won 25 because you had a bonus that you didn't scratch off.
Some bitch. So I made 20 bucks.
Yeah. And you have a new ticket.
So this is what I'm going to do with this. I wasn't going to tell Steph, but she already knows. I've cornholed away $300. And that $300 added with this is going to be $320. And as we go out west, we're looking for Steph, or she doesn't know this, but I did tell her today, a new wedding ring, because I got her a wedding ring at a pawn shop, proposed to her, and she wore it for years, and the stone fell out, and she never had one since then. So we're actually going to find her some kind of turquoise while we're out there. So now you have $320, honey.
Yay!
Yeah, see, I got it in my wallet. Right there it is. My $300. Now I got $320. The ring's getting fancier. What do you got? This is what I got this time.
Nothing on these two. So I broke even.
Okay.
No, I paid $2 for my fun here.
All right, there's my winning numbers. Nothing. So on the way through Kansas, Stephanie just shared with me that she wrote a song and she just sung it to me, and I love it. So this is her national debut of "Oh Kansas, Oh Kansas,
Yes.
Oh Kansas, Oh Kansas." Okay, hit it. Sing
Okay,
loud.
So it goes to this jingle. Oh Kansas, you're so flat and boring. Okay, so you're gonna sing it with me.
Okay.
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 So, oh Kansas, you're so flat and boring. I might as well be dressed in black in mourning.
In morning.
Okay. Oh Kansas, you're so flat and boring. The animals here are whack and birds aren't even soaring.
Not even soaring.
Last one.
Oh, no.
Oh Kansas, you're so flat and boring. I want to punch you in the sack because there's no water even roaring.
Punch you in the sack because there's no water roaring.
Oh Kansas.
Oh Kansas, you're so flat and boring. The ladies look at me weird when I ask if their muffins are made with love.
That totally didn't rhyme.
Well, I was trying. We just ate at Tom's place here.
It was good.
It was good. My belly's full. And I apologize if down the road my pooter goes off. Pooter warning in effect.
Hey, good thing is we are halfway through Kansas.
Yes. Oh Kansas, you really are so fucking boring. We should punch you in the sack because there is no water roaring.
Ta-da!
2 Wheels on the Road discovering Southwest Kansas, Dennis. He's a member of ours. So we stopped with him to eat at Tom's place. He's gonna ride with us for a little bit today on 50. But he's like, you gotta go check this place out. Here he is rolling in. So he's like, you gotta go check this out because it's New York, San Francisco. It's the halfway point here in Kansas. So it's Midway in the USA. It's pretty cool, Midway in the USA. 1,561 miles in both directions. This is it. This is the Mecca of the United States of America. If you want to get the real feeling of the back roads of America, ride 50 and end up here. If you don't get your pictures taken with this and you ride a motorcycle, you're not a real biker. This is how Dennis saves fuel. He's taking fuel economy very seriously nowadays. He's gonna pedal his way to wherever he's going. And he gets off with a great, oh, look at here. Look at that, bam. Bam, bam. What year is that?
It's a 2004.
2004. Oh yeah.
The old King Police.
Khalees?
Yep.
Very cool. Well, I think it's 102 degrees out. So if you see us sweating, that's for a reason. But the humidity ain't real bad.
Midway USA.
Don't you do it, Holiday. Steph and I have made it across Kansas over into Colorado, and we're heading for Pueblo. We were just south of Wichita this morning. We've made our way over here. It's been about 108 degrees. As you can see, the sun's going behind the clouds, and it's chilled down to 103. Steph right now is putting ice on me. She's got a cup full of ice, rubbing it on us. And we've been drinking a lot of water. Today we got to ride with one of our Ornery Ass members. It was really cool. Dennis, it was great sharing some miles with you on the road, talking with him. Definitely put a lot of stuff in perspective for me